Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect monday.com to Outlook. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so you can connect monday.com to Outlook so that emails and calendars events can automatically interact with your monday.com boards. For example, you can create a monday.com item when an Outlook email arrives, send emails from monday.com, or even sync Outlook calendar events with your board. Now, before you start, you generally need a Microsoft 365 business account with an Exchange Online mailbox. The person connecting Outlook needs the required Microsoft 365 license. Monday.com currently specifies the business premium for the standard Outlook integration, and also a personal Outlook or Hotmail account or an on-premise Exchange mailbox won't work with this integration. So in saying that, we need to go ahead and open up your monday.com board. Then from there, go ahead and click on the integrate button near the top of the page. Click onto more integrations. Then from there, go ahead and do a search for Outlook and then choose either Outlook or Outlook Calendar. So I'm going to choose Outlook, and then you want to connect your Outlook. Now, because I don't have a business account, I'm not going to show you exactly how to do this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. After this, you basically want to go ahead and sign into your account, and then after that, you want to choose what Outlook can do. So you're going to see different Outlook integration templates. For example, you can set up workflows such as when an email is received, you can create an item in monday.com. When an item is created, we can send an Outlook email. Now, after you've connected your Microsoft account, we can go ahead and select the template. So click on connect or connect account, sign into your 365 account, review the permissions and click accept allow, and then you'll be returned back to monday.com. Also, monday.com uses Microsoft's OAuth authentication, so you don't give monday.com your Outlook password directly.